What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're working on a Komatsu FB18M-3. We're taking out the counterbalance because the steering chain completely broke off. So there's a chain behind this, or I guess in front of this counterbalance, and it's basically what attaches the steering piston with the steering tires. So I'll show you here in a second. You got a left side and a right side. You can see here where it broke off right there, and we need to remove the counterbalance to get to that. And so here you go. Here's the damage, and this wraps around and comes all the way to here. You can see where it broke off right here, and it goes around these bearings. And so when you spin or turn the wheel, that hydraulic pressure moves these chains with the piston, and it turns the wheel. So this is us putting the chain, or the new chain, on here. We have to remove this old side, the part that snapped. We have to remove the links, then we have to count how many links the old one was so that we can match it up correctly. We don't want to put the chain too long or too short because we can potentially snap it again, or the customer snap it again. So we want to leave it just right. So we measure it and we put it back on with new links and new connectors, or new link connectors. You can see here the new chain, and pretty simple job. Doesn't take very long. You just have to make sure you measure it correctly, and it goes back in pretty smooth, pretty easy. If you ever done any chain work before, it's pretty simple. You take out, you measure the chain, you cut the right link, you link it together, and that's pretty much it. Here we are drilling a new tap. We're tapping a new hole pretty much with threads because their side guard broke off, their side plate. You'll see it here on the right, and it was just dangling down, so we figured we'd fix it for them. And here we are tapping the new threads, and that's pretty much it. This job only took about 2.5 hours altogether, and here's pretty much the final job, or the final product. You see the new bolt there, and it's holding it down. We put the new, the counterbalance, apologize. We put the counterbalance back on, tighten everything up, and then we put the roof back on, and then the seat and the cover, the battery cover, and this job's pretty much done. So we put the roof guard back on, and we tightened everything up like I said. Put the seat back on, and then we just tested it out, and it steers perfectly. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's a pretty simple job. You just have to take your time. If you need somebody else to help you, that'd be great, taking the counterbalance off. But other than that, it's really not a super difficult job. I just want to thank you guys for watching, and please like, subscribe, and comment, and we can make more videos. Thank you.